During the audience had, I'm just curious, ano yung mga naging challenges natin when doing the documentary?
Well, palagi naman ang problema ay pera and everything. So, when you were doing the documentary, the production part, so I can still support the film. This was produced by my faltering bank account. Pero nagpo-post-production na kasi it became very ambitious and everything. So, namumblema na how to sustain. Buti na lang, sabi ni Doy, actually, si Doy, he was very worried about this documentary. Palagi, paano yung budget? I think he was very worried about that I'm spending my money. Sabi niya, mag-apply ka for NCCA and everything. Kasi I don't apply to those kasi parang I don't like paperwork and all that. Sabi ko, doon nag-apply kami and thankfully, nakakuha kami ng grant. So it helped finance at least almost half of the budget in film. So, yun ang struggle. Then another struggle is, when I was editing it, kasi there's so much information. I got like 4 terabytes of informations. Yung si Miss Lee would be account, yung interview namin siguro nag-last like 2 hours. Ni-interview na mahaba talaga yung mga buhay nila. Hindi lang doon kay Doy, tinatanong namin everything. So, nung una gusto ko ilagay lahat. So, kasi very interesting yung interview namin kay Charo Santos, ang daming kwento na nakakaiyak. Gusto namin ilagay, pero at the end. So, yung editing. But then again, once na nag-decide ka, this is how we're going, nag-flow naman siya eventually. So, we're quite happy how it ended up. So,
if I may add, no, kasi I was part of this whole process. So parang it's a blessing and a curse, this whole amount of information that you'd have to process. So how do you streamline it from could have been a possibly Lord of the Rings 12 hours extended cut into this what you're seeing right now. So yun nga, so what you have to have is yung focus. So parang ang naging vision na namin is kumbaga there's just one narrative and it branches out and it goes back to the source. So parang ganun. So parang Sir Doy is basically the inspiration behind everything. Kasi diba, without him, there wouldn't have been an industry, the people you're seeing around. So that's why we had this whole bunch of interviews to go through Miss Lee, Miss Deng, even Miss Charo. So lahat yun, na-condense na namin into what you're seeing now. So we are very happy with what came out. And we are also happy that you guys appreciated it a lot. Kasi hindi siya biro talaga. Hindi siya biro to come up with this kind of material.